Hello guys, this is Mr. Wineowine and today I'm going to show you my favorite shot, the green tea shot.
This is what you'll need. It's very easy and fast. All three ingredients are equal parts, so it's easy to calculate accordingly to how many shots you want to make. For one shot, pour 0.5 ounce of Irish whiskey of your choice, 0.5 ounce of peach schnapps, and 0.5 ounce of sour mix. And now the tricky part. Pour the ice in your shaker, not on the floor. Shake it well. And pour it in your shot glass. Et voila! Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and santé!